Yeah, yeah, I'll put it
Yeah.
Got your socials, so.
Perfect. Yeah.
Is your Instagram or anything on there?
Yep. Just my name, Eric Ripper. You'll find it.
Yeah. Okay. See you later, man. Safe drive.
Safe travels to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, I'm about to enter the state Idaho, which I don't think I've ever been to before. Just like that, we're in Utah. I'm gonna go put a sticker on that sign too. All right, so this is Bear Lake. It splits Idaho and Utah. Nice little getaway area. This might be my favorite drive of this entire trip, honestly. Excited to play. It's nice to be back in Utah. I've been to Salt Lake City in a few years. I'm excited. I've been setting up. Forgot to set up the GoPro while doing that. Got a pretty good crowd though. Let's have some fun.
Happy Thursday to you. I drove from Nashville to be with you guys. Technically this morning I drove from Jackson, Wyoming, but I am living in Nashville now and I'm honored to be here. This is my first time playing in Salt Lake City, so you guys are part of history for me, so thanks for being here. Baby, I break it down, go ahead, give it to you. Hey, all right, now fellas. Say yeah after I say that. All right, now fellas. What's cooler than being cool? Always see on your baddest behavior. Lend me some salt.
Yeah, what you got?
Oh, still talk, but they speak. It's too late, certain to see. Man, I was in Yellowstone and Grand Tetons yesterday. So it's weird to be back in civilization. In tall buildings. I'm used to seeing cliffs and stuff. It's beautiful out there. No one that you know better, 'cause after all, you do know better. Try to slip back in his defense without granting. How to save a life. I never knew that everything was falling through. Woo! Everyone I knew was waiting on cue. So you should know. I say that we'd agree and never change. So feel it until we all get. Yeah, everyone shares the stage up here, I guess. No, get away from me. What do you want? Well, I can't have a beer with you. You can... to lose to know how to win. As long as you'll be my friend at the end. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm out, you stumbled in and bumped your head. Not for me, you'd be dead. I picked you up, put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive, well, you'll be there holding my hand. I'll keep you by my side, my superhuman, my kryptonite. I'll keep you by my side, my superhuman, my kryptonite. Yeah, show you that out, come and get me. Yeah, so caught up. All right, we're gonna sing Happy Birthday to Oscar. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I said, hey, what's going on? Jump up years in my life and still I try it up like great big pillow for a destination. Well, thank you. Near a resort near Zion National Park, and I started writing my Wavelength album. So I think it'd be kind of cool to play a song or two from that album. This is the title track of the album. The album is called Wavelength. This is called Wavelength. Maybe I will make a song. Seems that I haven't found. I wanna share with you exactly how I feel. So I you inside. That song is called Focus. You can listen to that everywhere. Yeah! Something in the orange tells me you're never coming They don't mind oh hells yeah. You guys, they don't mind You guys know this song? Yeah? Let me hear you sing it. Ready?
Free Fire.
Time fades, with arms wide open, everyone's wide open, back. With arms wide open.
Creed. That goes out to all you divorced dads out there. My name is Eric Ripper. I'm traveling through town. I play again.
That table there, that was your audience.
And that one guy.
There's a lot of weird.
Yes!
Line up is creeping me down.
He looks like the... Oh, what does he look like? His hair... Say hi! Roo. That's me. Okay, go down. Bang! We're waiting for the care guy, the PA, fucking idiot.
What?
Told me